Talking about my hobbies like reading and writing. Even talk when I was in elementary to junior high school, I didn't like reading and writing. I think reading is a very lazy to read because it is too much writing and makes a headache. And when writing there is no talent to write a story. After I entered SMK, there was one of my friends who really liked reading and liked writing. At that time, he was a busy playing on his cell phone with a smiling face. I was also curious about what he saw. Finally, I asked him and it turned out he was reading a comic. Then there is a mobile phone application called Line Webtoon with the title The Secret of Angel, and he invited me to read a comic that he read. When I refused because I basically don't like reading. After time went by, I finally became serious about the storyline of the comic and downloaded the application, and it was true that when I read one episode, it turned out that the storyline was exciting and made me want to read it to the end. And when I often read Line Webtoon, I finally like reading Wattpad. Which is a kid novel on mobile phones, and at the same time I really like reading novel and comic on cell phones. In the end, after I like reading, writing is also my hobby because almost every day I read. I want to write because I think writing can express the feeling of or hurt or someone. Apart from reading and writing, I also like to watch a film or drama from various language. Why do I like watching? Because it can also improve my writing power, and sometimes I get excited away by the storyline of the drama or film. Apart from reading, writing, and watching, I also like listening to music because with music we will feel more calm and comfortable when our atmosphere is having a lot of touch. I like all kinds of music and singer. When I really like are Rosa, Bunga Citra Lestari, Adele, BTS, and after talking about my hobbies, I will share my experience while writing. When I first wrote, it was a very difficult for me to express my heart in writing because the sentence had to be in accordance with the plot being told. Then I learned to find out how to write correctly in a novel or rival exciting problem, and I treat it. When I treat it, it turned out that the plot didn't match the storyline, and I treat it again, and when I treat it again for the upthird time, I was finally able to write a novel with a storyline. After talking about the experience, I will plan to publish a book that I wrote for everyone to read. I want to share my experience with everyone. When I publish a book, I hope to become a brand in all bookstores. That's what I dream of. I hope my wish can come true. Besides that, I also have plans to tour several countries that I really dream about, namely Japan and Korea. Why do I want to go there? Because I want to see cherry blossom directly, and Korea I really want to go to Seoul City and want to go to various tourist attractions there in Korea. One of them is Everland, Lotte World, and Cox Aquarium. Thank you for listening to the video. I hope you don't get bored with the story, and see you